Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we're on a brand new 2019 230 Sunliner. Great thing about this boat, really well appointed, two nice big couches in the front, single lounger layout in the back. Great storage under everything. It's got the drop down hinges like you'll see on some of our upper models. Great drainage all the way around it. So full drain all the way around, drains out the back of the furniture. Recessed cup holders in here, along with a great spot to put your phone back in here. 20 ounce and 30 ounce tumblers from your Yetis and your Arctics will fit down inside of there. Drop down armrests on both sides. Gas strut that holds up our ski locker door, so you've got a great welded off ski locker down inside here for wakeboards, some life jackets, anything else you really want to put inside of there. So make our way back. Great Helm station, Simrad, GPS, chart plotter, fish finder, all inside of here. It's all touchscreen, really nice Go5 from Simrad. JL audio Bluetooth stereo system with zone control. Backlit switches across the dash. Your gauges up there. These boats are equipped with a 200, our 230 Sunliners are, so they're equipped with a 200 Mercury Verado, which gives you digital throttle and shift, super easy to shift. Move it to where you want it. You can just cruise across the lake without having to hold that down because it is fly-by-wire. Active trim, so your motor's going to trim automatically for you. When it's on and you're running across the lake, it's going to trim the motor up. If you're going into a turn, it's going to trim it back down and then trim it back up as you're coming out of that turn. As I said, this is our single lounger layout, so really nice L-shaped seating here. Flip this forward, got a really large lounger back here. 2 or 3 people, 4 people are going to sit back here, lounge back here, lay out back here. You are going to be able to lay out back here while the boat is underway. We've got stainless steel deck railing all the way around to keep you enclosed inside the boat. So you can sit back here and while the boat's running, watch the kids tube, watch your friends tube, ski, wakeboard, whatever it is they're doing. Stainless steel ski tow bar and a really nice wide-handled 4-rung stainless steel ladder. So if you've got any questions on this boat or any other pontoons or Sea Rays that you see online at MarineMax, just give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit us online at marinemax.com. Thanks and hope to hear from you soon.